I have a great quad exercise for you that doesn't require any machines. You can do pretty much anywhere, supported or unsupported. It's the reverse leg extension. So for our purposes, I have some bands hooked up here that I'm going to use as a little bit of assistance for this movement. If you don't have bands, even a chair, a wall, anything that'll help you, just a little bit extra support is good because this is a really tough movement. You can try it alone, and I'll show you that here in a little bit, but definitely start with a modification where you're getting yourself a little extra support. So I'm going to take the band, chest is lifted, lower abs are tight, and hips are slightly rolled under. So I'm going to lean back just a touch and pull it back up. As you go through this movement, I want you to keep your neck nice and neutral. Make sure you're not looking down too much or looking up. The important thing here is that you've got a straight line from your knees up to your shoulders, and that keeps it nice and tight with good alignment. You will feel this very, very quickly in your quadriceps. The further you go back, the more difficult the movement becomes. So if you want to try it without any support, you can do that too. Arms are just at your side, and you're going to lean back with it and pull back up. It is amazing how quickly you will feel reverse leg extensions. Really hits all along the front of your quadriceps. And if you do have some knee problems, feel free to put down like a pad or a mat under your knees, and you'll get a little extra support there.